The right foundation. Choosing your industrial space. In the world of business, real estate is your foundation. Just like a house needs a strong base, your business needs the right property. Industrial real estate is a powerful tool, but you need to pick the right tool for the job. There are many types of industrial properties. Each one serves a unique purpose. Understanding these differences is key. It can be the difference between success and struggle. This guide will break down the basics. We'll look at warehouses, factories, and more. You'll learn about their features and best uses. This knowledge will empower you to make smart decisions. Remember, in business, knowledge is power. Let's get started. Warehouses are the backbone of the supply chain. They are large, open buildings designed for storing goods. Think of them as giant, organized closets for businesses. High ceilings are standard in warehouses. This allows for vertical storage using tall racks. Many have loading docks for easy loading and unloading of trucks. Warehouses are ideal for businesses that need to store large quantities of goods. E-commerce companies often use warehouses to house inventory. Distributors use them as central hubs to store and ship products. Choosing the right warehouse is crucial. Consider your storage needs, location, and budget. A well-chosen warehouse can streamline your operations. This leads to increased efficiency and profits. Factories are the workshops of the world. This is where raw materials are transformed into finished products. They house the machinery and equipment needed for manufacturing. Factories come in two main flavors: light industrial and heavy industrial. Light industrial spaces are used for lighter manufacturing, assembly, and processing. Think electronics, clothing, or food production. Heavy industrial spaces, on the other hand, are built for heavy-duty work. They can accommodate large machinery, high-power demands, and potentially hazardous processes. Think metal fabrication, automotive manufacturing, or oil refining. When choosing a factory, consider the type of manufacturing you do. Think about your power needs, safety requirements, and waste management. The right factory will support your production process, ensuring efficiency and quality. Section 4. Cold storage facilities. Keeping it fresh, keeping it moving. Cold storage facilities are specialized warehouses. They are designed to maintain low temperatures for storing perishable goods. Think food products, pharmaceuticals, and certain chemicals. These facilities are equipped with powerful refrigeration systems. They keep temperatures consistently cold, often below freezing. They also have features like insulated walls and specialized flooring. This helps maintain a stable environment and prevents damage to goods. Cold storage is essential for businesses dealing with temperature-sensitive products. It ensures freshness, prevents spoilage, and maintains product quality. If you're in the food or pharmaceutical industry, cold storage is likely a necessity. Section 5. Flex space. Adaptability for the modern business. Flex space offers a blend of office and industrial space under one roof. It's like a hybrid, offering flexibility for businesses with diverse needs. Imagine a space with a front office area for administrative tasks. In the back, there's a warehouse area for storage or light manufacturing. That's the beauty of flex space. This type of space is perfect for startups and growing businesses. It allows you to scale your operations as needed, without moving locations. It's also ideal for businesses that require both office and industrial functionalities. When considering flex space, think about the layout and how it suits your workflow. Ensure it has the right balance of office and industrial features for your specific needs. Conclusion. Choosing the right industrial real estate is like choosing the right investment. It can make you rich or poor. By understanding the different types of industrial properties, you can make informed decisions that benefit your business. Whether you need ample storage space, a facility for manufacturing, or a flexible solution for your growing business, there's an industrial property out there for you. Remember, the right space can be the foundation for your success. So choose wisely and watch your business thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow GTA Commercial Brokers to know more about commercial real estate.